welcome to our channel Sunday हो या Monday रोज खाओ अंडे. Welcome to another exciting, informative yet educative video. वैसे दोस्तों आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि आज हमने अंडा क्यों लिया हाथ में. बता दूं कि आज का दिन है वर्ल्ड एग डे. World Egg Day is celebrated to raise the awareness and benefits of egg among humans. World Egg Day is established by IEC Vienna in 1996. वैसे दोस्तों खाने के लिए किसी दिन या किसी बहाने की कोई जरूरत तो है नहीं, क्योंकि खाना सभी को पसंद है और खाना चाहिए भी. पर हाँ, वर्ल्ड एग डे एक बहुत ही महान मोटिव से इस डे को लिया गया था, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि वर्ल्ड ओवर सारे विश्व में ऐसे कई देश हैं जहां पे आपको मैल न्यूट्रिशन या न्यूट्रिशन की कमी होती है. और इसीलिए हमारे सराउंडिंग में जो भी हमारे नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, उसी से हम लोग न्यूट्रिशन ले सकते हैं. जैसे आप लोगों को पता है कि एग दाम भी बहुत ही सस्ता है, लेकिन उसका जो वैल्यू है, उसका जो न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू है वो लाजवाब है. तो इसीलिए हम सभी को खानी चाहिए अंडे. तो इसीलिए तो कहते हैं संडे हो या मंडे रोज खाओ अंडे. और अब सोनाली बताएगी हमें अंडे की न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यूज.
Hello friends, today is egg day. So I'm going to describe you the food value of egg. One egg contains 75 calories, and in this egg there is 7 grams of high quality protein, 5 grams of fat. One also have carotenoids, fats, grams of saturated fats. Along with this, it has vitamins, minerals, iron. These are the powerhouses of disease fighting nutrients. Friends, our dining is ready. This is a platter of cheese omelette. Here you can see two variety types of eggs, one hard type of egg and one soft egg. Egg poach. Oh, this is twin egg poach.
So friends, it's time to grab the different dishes of egg. So please join us. This is the cheese omelette. You can see this is the cheese omelette. So now we are going to have it. So half Shonali's and half mine.
Delicious.
Well, there are so many other dishes of egg which you can try. Tell me some of the dishes, Shonali.
Scrambled egg. Then egg salads.
Yeah, egg salad.
Egg sandwiches. Varieties of dishes are there.
These are basically the healthy egg dishes because we haven't used it. This is only boil, and this is just a very little amount of oil is required, and this one is also done in a very little oil with cheese, so it's healthy.
You can prepare like pizza.
And I must say it's rich in proteins, and it is a great immunity booster also. In today's time, we all have to be very much strong from within, so that is why it's very essential to have eggs. Well, by the way, this much amount of egg is not necessary to eat. We should eat. We can take one egg regularly, 1 or 2. It's enough. But yes, some for fitness gym or those who used to go for gym and regular workouts, they used to take sometimes 5, 6 or something. That number of eggs also. But for regular basis, now for the timing only, it's only for you, our dear friends. We have taken this much number of eggs, and we are showing you, and especially for World Egg Day. isn't it?
Not 5-6 of eggs. The person who is doing gym, they are taking minimum 10 to 12 eggs.
Okay.
Somebody 20 to 25.
But I think that yolk is extracted,
Yes,
right?
only white portion. Somebody is taking 50 eggs. Those who are He-Man.
Yeah.
So they are taking this amount of eggs.
But this only extracting the yellow portion.
Yeah. And you can make this omelette with other spinach, carrots. Inside you can give carrots, spinach, beets, etc. also. It's delicious. Cheesecake. Okay, let's finish this dish.
Let's get
So now I'm keeping this one. Now we are going to have this boiled egg. Two of them are soft and the others are hard. So let's start. Okay, first start hard one. 1, 2, 3. Second. Salt.
This one I'll take later.
It's delicious.
मुझे ना खाते खाते एक गाना याद आ गया, गोविंदा का एक गाना था, आओ सिखाए तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली धंधा, इसमें छुपा है जीवन का फलसफा, इसमें छुपा है जीवन का फलसफा, अंडे का फंडा फंडा अंडे का फंडा, अंडे का फंडा अंडे का फंडा।
तो अभी क्या खाना है? ये जो पोच आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज अ पोच, बट आई हैव डिड इट इन अ फ्राई पैन. यू कैन डू दिस पोच इन वाटर ऑल्सो. वाटर पोच इज वेरी वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. उसका प्रोटीन वैल्यू ज्यादा है. और मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, बॉइल्ड एग में सबसे ज्यादा प्रोटीन है और उसमें ऑमलेट में मतलब उसका फूड वैल्यू अंडा बॉइल्ड अंडा में ज्यादा होता है omelet से. So let's have this poach. You need another spoon?
No, that's enough. Here it goes.
ये पोच में मुझे रोटी से पोच खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. रोटी लगा लगा कर मुझे लगता है कि मैं अमृत खा रही हूँ. अमृत क्या है मुझे तो पता नहीं है. सुना है अमृत बहुत टेस्टी है, मगर रोटी में जब पोच लगा के खाती हूँ ना, कल क्या होगा पता नहीं, बस खाते जाए. जो मैं पोच खा रही हूँ, देखिए इसका कलर, ये हंस जी की अंडा है, मतलब डक एग, बहुत ही टेस्टी है.
So friends, I can see that we have finished our dishes. World Egg Day. You know, it has a very noble cause. It's basically for keeping people aware about this day and this egg. which is available in a very lesser price but having a tremendous nutritious value. So we have just from our channel, this is just a small effort, or you can say a small trial, that through this video we wanted to share this message to all, that we should be having eggs regularly, and it's a very nutritious, और हमें अंडा खाना चाहिए. So actually this was a small effort from our side. So if you like today's video, then please don't forget to give like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, because we need your subscriptions and we need
your valuable comments.
Yes, very true. You need to please give us your comments, because that only keep us motivating, and we'll be knowing that which type of videos you would like to see in our channel, because we'll always try to bring to you with newer videos, with different videos, and with different taste also. So I think everybody will like, and please give us your comment. That is the basic important thing. And please subscribe to our channel, SB Golden Creation. So thank you for today. That's all for today. See you again with our next video very soon. Till then,